Hi everyone, it's Kat here. How are you all? I just wanted to hop on quickly. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I just wanted to hop on quickly as I have finally received this package. So I'm doing a Craspire unboxing. They do wax seals and all the wax and all the implements that go with it. So if you search on YouTube Craspire, you will see that there are quite a few of these videos. Now, the story is that the marketing team contacted me via my YouTube channel and said that they liked my channel, which I was so happy to, to get an email like this. And they just asked if I was interested in doing a video for them, doing an unboxing of their products. So I had a look at their website and I really liked what I saw. So I said, yes, I'm interested. So I had to go onto the website and choose some products. And now, a bit later on in the video, I have done a bit of a quick little tutorial of how you navigate the website and you can place an order. And when I was doing that, I noticed that they have got this YouTube cooperation program. So if you're interested in doing something like this with your own channel, if you have a channel, hop on over to their website and you can check out all the details there. There's also an affiliate program. Now I have, in all disclosure, I have signed up for the affiliate program. This is not anything to do with that. This is an unboxing video and this is completely separate, but in the future I may do some more tutorials around wax seals because I love them, guys. I love wax seals and it's something that I use anyway, so that will be something I will be planning in the future. So anyway, let's get to it. So as I said, I went onto the website and I picked these products here, which is what I got as part of the agreement that we had. So now it took ages for me to get this order, this delivery, and I will let you know it was back in May that I was contacted. And now whether that's a COVID thing, I'm not really sure, but something happened with the shipping. I had to contact them, and because guys, part of this unboxing is I ordered while I was there, I thought, well, you know what, I might as well order some other things as well. So anyway, I contacted the lady that I was dealing with in the marketing area, and she was so good. She followed everything up for me, and they had to cancel the order and then they resent it out to me, and that has arrived today, which is why I have jumped on to do this video. So this is it here. That would be, I guess, my order form. Actually, I will just quickly open that up and make sure there's nothing here. So these are the products that I ordered. As you can see, they're very, very well packaged. This one has been a little bit crushed, but I'm guessing it doesn't really matter because it's going to be a wax seal and a wooden handle. So there's the first one. Oh yeah, so I got this Tree of Life. Like, honestly, guys, they have got so many wax seals to choose from, and I just sat there and I spent a little bit of time going through their selection, and this is what I got. So I did have a quick look on their website. It's some sort of like just a rod, and you can see gorgeous dragonfly there. Hopefully you can see that okay. So I have got a new camera setup, guys, so I'm getting used to it, but I'm hoping it's going to make making videos a lot easier. I got this gorgeous owl stamp because I have got some more Harry Potter journals that I am going to be making coming up. Now this one here, I forget what this is. I think this might be a marble. Yeah, I think this might be like a little marble plate because if I can get it out of the packaging, it's very well packaged. So this is a lovely rose coloured little marble plate. So we'll shoot over to the Craspire website and a little quick tutorial on how you can navigate around and place an order. So I'm on the Craspire website, so it's www.craspire.com. I have changed the currency to Aussie dollars, so if you were elsewhere in the world, you would change it here. you've got a search bar here. So if you were looking for, you know, Christmas or, you know, bunnies or rabbits or something like that, then you would search here. They do worldwide free shipping on orders over $50. So bearing in mind that that would be US dollars. So that would, I don't know, roughly be 75 odd dollars for us Aussies. So across here you've got your menu bar, so, and then you've got here where you can sign in or create an account. You can if you create an account, you can start putting together a wish list, and there's your shopping cart, which currently it's empty. So across here, you know, you can just have a look at like what's new. So if we just go here, you can see, you know, if you come onto this site and had a look, you can just check in and see what has new listings on the site. And then you've got wax stamps, stamp sets, etc. Across here, sealing wax tools, so you can go in here and have a little bit of a look. They've got a sale going on, and then they've got a bit of a blog section here. So just to place an order, say you wanted to have a look at wax stamps, and say for example, oh, that's cute little bunny there. So you can go in here. It looks like it's got 3 different or several different handles available, that if you wanted to switch up your handles, you can. So if we add that to the cart, so you could go stamp head, or if you click on this one here, then you would get the wooden handle, or if you clicked on this one here, then you would get the golden fancy one, or you would get that one there. So you know, considering I've got many wooden handles, I would just go for the stamp head. So you would add that to the cart. And then up here, you've got your shopping cart, so you can continue to shop, or if that's all you wanted, then you would proceed to checkout. So you've got PayPal options there, and I'm sure that they would accept a, yeah, they've got Visa or PayPal options down here. So that's how you would place an order. I will add the website in the description of the video, and well, the link to it. And also don't forget, you know, Jolly Jam Journals 5 is a coupon code that you can use, and you will get $5 off for every order over $40. And remembering that would be US dollars, so depending, you know, where you are in the world, you know, you sort of roughly work out the currency conversion from there. Okay then, so back to the unboxing. This is what I ordered and I haven't even properly had a look, so I wanted to save it for this video because I wanted to have the experience of unboxing and just showcasing some things that they have on their website. So, whoops, okay, let me make a pile. You can see I took advantage of the free shipping over $50. So here's another stamp head that I got. So this one is like a clock, which I thought was very pretty. Be good for steampunk. Now, oh, let's go with the other wax. I have to remember, because as I say, I waited a while for these orders, but I have got, I think that's actually a crow. I think that's actually meant to be a crow in branches with the sun there. So I got that one. And then I got another, I think I got another one of these rods. No, this is another wooden stamp. Oh yes, I got some a bee with honeycomb. So I'll put that one there. Okay, so I've got quite a bit of a pile over here. Now I wanted to try their glue gun wax seals, but having a, you know, their glue gun wax sticks rather. But having a look at this, I have a feeling, I don't know, I have to pull out my wax gun, but they just look a little bit bigger than what my, like, you know, the glue sticks that I put in. So I'm not sure if they're going to actually work, but we will play with that. We have got another, oh yes, this is a plain one, because I thought that it would be fun just doing some plain ones, and I'm going to have a play around with putting some dried flowers. I've seen some ladies doing that, and on Instagram there's this lady, and I can't think of her name, but she just does these amazing like reels, and she just shows like the wax, and she puts the dried flowers in there. And so I thought that's why a blank one would be quite handy. Well, I ordered this salmon coloured. Now I do have a whole lot of wax beads with different colours, so I was trying to find something that I thought I would use quite a lot. So I got this lovely salmon colour, and with that obviously comes a couple of spoons, and you get some tea lights. But what I did get was, I got this, now I'm going to move some of these things out of the way because we've got more to share. Okay, so what I did get was one of these melting pots, because I have done so many, and I find that so many of these wax stamps, so you get tea light, and then you get this cute little wooden handle with this spoon here. Oh, this might have a little crack in it. Yeah, there is a thread there. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a crack in that, but I could probably put some glue on that anyway, just to, and in all honesty, it does sit. It just feels a little bit wobbly. I might email them and let them know that that came cracked. But, you know, full disclosure, guys, I mean, that's what an unboxing is all about. Okay, so this is the little melting pot thing. So obviously you put your candle, like your little tea light, in here, just in that little section there, and then you light it, and then you would put your spoon, but you do have these spares here anyway. Plus honestly I've got so many spoons and stuff, it doesn't really bother me. But you put that there, and obviously you drop your little wax beads in, and it melts, and then you pour it onto your little yeah, so I figured, I just thought it was so cute. I thought it looked like a little cauldron. I loved it, so I thought, oh, okay, I'm going to get one of those. And yeah, so when the wax is melted, you just pour it, and then you grab one of your wax seals here and you just drop it down. But anyway, I will do a tutorial, follow-up tutorial on this. So that's that. I thought that's going to make that process a lot easier for me. All right, so I'm just going to move that over to the side. And what I did also order was these metallic pens, because, well, I ordered, are they all metallic pens? Let's have a look. What does the package say? It just says one set. Okay, what does the, yeah, metallic colour pen. So I ended up getting the full set because I thought it was quite reasonably priced. So I got the blue, it's a white, green, there's like a grey, silver, there's this lovely pink colour, gold, and there's this, I wouldn't say it's a brown, it's quite a pretty colour actually. Just seeing if it's on here, but it's almost like a mushroomy, pinky, beigey brown colour. And then you've got this lovely green colour here, and you've got this darker grey colour, and then you've got this lovely like lavender colour. So obviously the idea is that you, you know, if you were doing, for example, what's one of my wax seals? The dragonfly. Yep, you can do a dragonfly, and then you can highlight the dragonfly. You know, you might want to do a green, or you might want to do a gold. So that's the metallic pens there. And I did indulge, and I got one of these stirring sticks because I just thought it looked like a little bit of fun. But as I say, I have done a few wax seals now in my day, and I could see the benefit of having a little stirring rod. So, you know, obviously when you've got your little melting cauldron here, I'm going to call it, and you're melting your beads, you can stir it. And I find it particularly well, I would find it particularly useful when I've been doing a few, and so you've kind of already got some wax in there, and you might be adding a couple of others in there, so that stirring little stick would, I would think, would be handy. But I also did indulge, because you know I do love my washi, and I thought I would indulge and get some of this because it had really lovely vintage designs on it. So and it's the bigger one, it's a bigger roll. So let me open one of these up. Oh, it's got like woodland animals on it, so let's have a look. Okay, my cat is hungry, if you can hear her meowing in the background. Try and find how to, oh, here we go. Okay, yeah, so it is washi, definitely washi, because I wondered if it might have like an adhesive, like a sticker backing on it, but it's got a little deer, and it's got some vintage, lovely vintage designs and some botanicals on it. So that's that one there. And then this one here, I won't open these up at the moment. Well, maybe I will actually. That's the whole point of an unboxing, isn't it? Give you an idea. Okay. This has got music designs on it. It's a lovely vintage sort of brown colour. And it's got some script. And it's got some flowers, some postal marks on it, and some pretty flowers, butterflies. So I'll just carefully unroll this for you. There we go. So there you go. Oh, I think that is just, oh, I love the script on that. That is very pretty. And there's some more script there. Venezuela little poster mark on there. So that's that. So that will be pretty to decorate up some things with. And then the other one is just this like advertisements, vintage advertisements. So I guess it's like a catalogue or a newspaper sort of newsprint design, which I always love, that sort of stuff. So I'll open up this one for you, and here we go. My dog is chewing an antler's horn. We found it, we cleaned up and we moved the lounge, and underneath there it was. So we pulled it out for her and she's been gnawing away at it again. So there we go. So yeah, it's just a whole lot of, oh, the Love Journal. It's a whole lot of advertisements. So it's sort of like that. Yeah, like I said, like a vintage newsprint sort of design, but it's lots and lots of vintage, you know, advertisements on there. So I will follow up with a tutorial, a couple of tutorials. I have had plenty of time to think and do some research and find some fun things to do. I've been, you know, keeping a bit of an eye on what other tutorials have been out there for Craspire. So I've tried to come up with something original and a bit new. So yeah, keep an eye out for that if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. I'm getting over the busy part of work. I've just got a few more things, probably about another week or so, and then I'm out of that busyness seasonal part of my life, for my work life. And you know, but I haven't been sitting on my laurels either. I've been busy. My Etsy shop has been really busy. I'm so happy. Thank you. Big shout out to everyone. Thank you so much. So grateful. So appreciate all of that. And I have been planning things, and yes, I haven't exactly been like completely neglecting my new YouTube channel, just more background sort of stuff. So looking forward to sharing some videos with you guys. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.